cooking a ham in the fire. It's crazy windy, but we'll survive. Now I just got the ham in here. And I'm just gonna add some broth to start. Don't worry, I'm gonna make a glaze and stuff, and I'm gonna add that after it starts to cook. So far, I've cooked for like large pieces of meat like this. I've cooked a turkey and a corned beef, and I've learned some things, and that is that it dries out extremely quickly, and so I don't want the ham to dry out that would happen. So I'm gonna just put this on with the box of broth and get it started, and then once it started like heated through more, then I'll go and add some glaze because it's probably going to be on the fire for a while and I don't want the glaze to burn. This is Carter's, and this is mine. What would you rate your Easter dinner?
A 10 out of 10. Really good, pretty good, pretty good. That was one of the best hams you ever made. Everything else was just good. So yeah, 10 out of 10, good job. The whole day was like a 10, by the way, as well.
Thank you.